Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, install Visual Studio Code and the Microsoft C/C++ extension for IntelliSense and debugging. Next, install min-gww64 or msys2 for a GCC toolchain and add the bin folder to your path variable. Then download Raylib precompiled binaries or clone the source and build with CMake using a Mingwa or msys shell. Keep Raylib include and lib folders in a known project folder. Finally, install the CMake Tools extension for easier builds inside VSCode. Create a new VSCode folder for your Raylib project and add a C source file named main. Then create tasks. JSON with a build task that runs G++ or GCC includes the Raylib include path and links lraylib lopingle 32 lgdi 32 lwin. Configure the output executable name and keep command arguments in the task. Next, create launch JSON to attach the debugger using GDB from min-gww64 or CDB from open the terminal inside VS Code and run the build task to compile main. C into app, exe and watch for errors. If compilation fails, check the include path, library path, and that min-gw bin is first in path. Use the Run and Debug panel to start the debugger, set breakpoints, and inspect variables during Raylib init window and main loop. When running, confirm the window opens and displays a simple rectangle. For distribution, copy DLLS or build static libraries using CMake flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.